We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning.
And here we go with the fourth trading session of December in the books, with the VIX playing tiddlywinks all day long with that 1622. And as you could see it fading off during the final 40 minutes, 30 minutes of the day prior to the mock imbalance, you kind of sat there and you wondered, why is it that the SPX being down here playing tiddlywinks as well with the 6840 with less than 15 minutes to go in the trading session, why is it that the 6855, 6850 are still trading above 50 cents? And then it all went. And the mock imbalance came out, and you got your thrust to the upside to make it look for those who never watched the market during the course of the day that everything's okay. The market went sideways for the day, but no, it did not. In fact, let's take a look at segment so as not to give out proprietary information, which can be used in the future, which only members have access to. The trade today, the safer risk, the December 4, 68.75, 68.70 call credit spread, $1.50, $2 ideal, or $1.50, $2, but $2.50 is ideal. It's just very low odds. The riskiest risk being the December 4, 68.55 calls, December 4, 68.50 calls for $3 or better, which I have a clip somewhere. First, we'll look here at just some of the results that were shared at the end of the trading session today. This one, I will try and save his name so he doesn't get inundated. Only made $65,000 today. I have to unfortunately share this name because it's there in wide view, and I have nothing but the utmost of respect for this doctor that was performing surgery all day long today, able to realize $193,750.06 in realized profits on the day. But now it gets really interesting here with a few other guys, but I'll run you through the spread trade on today. We started the day out a little bit late because I actually got 3 hours of sleep before the market opened. So, yep, running on fumes, but still putting them out there good. Safer risk, riskiest risk, the ones that I shared there in the email. And then as we got into the opening bell, as we were heading higher, 68.55, 68.50s were already at 350. And somewhere in the chat, I saw that somebody got $4.20. Maybe it's a little bit more than that, because we opened up at, where are we? 68.66.47 on the open. There you go. I did actually post it. The 68.55, 68.50s were trading at 4. The 68.75, 68.70s at $2.50, having ended full credit. Only 100% on your money. The 5-day moving average being that 68.40, which we're continuing to pay attention to, which again, we're continuing to pay attention to. And again, the FOMC prep, I got to scroll through that. No, that's proprietary because that email went out here after the market had opened to get everybody ready for December 10th with a little bit better than $3 credit. So you had your first dip to 68.40 for scalp out range, but you only had 25-point range. So your 68.25 rug pull is pending. 68.25 would make a perfect 40-point range. I was wrong. As we dip down again, nothing being bullish, looking there, your second, number 2, 11:11 a.m., scalp out area for the 68.55, 68.50s, being that we were pushing right there on 68.40. But again, 11:11, 68.25 fits. But 68.40, as we were into the final hour, is not fucking around. And you had that Karate Kid crane kick position. Everybody had to start slinging, Johnny, sweep the leg. But no, the VIX just can't stop posting newer lows all the day. So 50% chance still for that 68.40, but we've only got a 39-point range because, like I said, I was wrong. 68.25 didn't hit. We hit 68.27.12. But again, as you came down there, how the hell are the 68.55, 68.50 still above 50 cents? And at 346, there you go. And then your mock imbalance came out. And again, I won't be sharing that post for tomorrow because it's for members only. And if you are not a member, then I really don't know what I can tell you other than the fact that you might want to have a look around because you have not only the SPX closing above 68.50, not only the QQQ once again struggling over there at the plus 55% above the April lows, having made contact with that 625.37 on the highs of the day, bringing your Dow Jones, your DIA, not really doing much, just kind of following along the crackhead of the market, which is the IWM. In two trading sessions here, coming off of 9 a.m. over there on Wednesday, starting here at 2:45 and making it up to 2:52 for the first ever in the history of the stock market since its existence, closing above 250.35. I wish you the greatest of Thursday evenings, and I hope you enjoy this.